Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream without a machine. You can create delightful frozen treats right in your own kitchen. We will cover two simple, yet effective, methods that ensure a smooth and creamy texture. The main goal is to prevent large ice crystals from forming, which is crucial for achieving that perfect scoopable consistency. Get ready to transform basic ingredients into a wonderful dessert. For our base, you will need just a few simple ingredients. Start with 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk. Add about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, adjusting to your sweetness preference. Then, incorporate your favorite flavorings such as vanilla extract, cocoa powder, or fruit purees. Remember, keeping all your ingredients very cold before mixing is essential for the best results and a smoother final product. One popular method involves using 2 plastic bags. First, pour your mixed ice cream base into a small, sealable freezer bag. Next, fill a larger, gallon-sized bag with approximately 4 cups of ice and about 1/2 cup of rock salt. Place the smaller bag inside the larger one, ensuring both are securely sealed. Now, shake the bags vigorously for about 10 to 15 minutes until your ice cream reaches a firm, scoopable consistency. Another excellent technique uses a bowl and a whisk. Pour your prepared ice cream mixture into a metal bowl. Then, set this bowl into a larger bowl that is filled with ice and rock salt. Begin whisking the mixture continuously for about 5 to 10 minutes until it starts to thicken. After this initial whisking, place the bowl in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours, stirring it every 30 minutes to achieve a wonderfully smooth and creamy texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.